Today is day 19. As usual, we continue from where we stopped on day 18. So without further ado, let's get back to learning. So there's a contest, then we follow the instruction, then we answer the question. It's very straightforward. So our manager has asked us to check on the color column in our data set. There seems to be an error there because someone mistyped some data. He is sure that we only stock 10 different colors of our products, including the products which have no color. Use the feature in Power Query to help you verify and fix the data set. The view part, you can see the column distribution feature here. If I click on that, so it's going to give me information about each column in this data set. Now, I think we're on the color. You can see for this now we have 12 distinct value and one unique record. That's what it means. If you notice that we have black, blue, gray, multi is spelled occur twice because we have multi in capital letter and multi is going to see those as different distinct value. When we actually know that it is a typo error, we have NA, red, silver, and black as one unique. And so we have yellow and we have yellow. What we need to do is to replace multi with the actual spelling of multi. Now replace the value of yellow with the actual spelling of yellow. So let's do that really quick. Replace value right here. Replace value. So I'm going to replace the multi with the actual spelling of multi. So let's do that. We have done. I can see now we now have 11 distinct records. Yellow with the actual word correct spelling yellow. So now 10. You can see that is actually making sense.